Hi friends, welcome to Ravi Rajendra Tech Support. Today I am showing Doosan 225. This is a bucket cylinder, boom cylinder, chain, undercarriage, upper two roller, bottom 9 roller, AC condenser, after cooler, Doosan 225 LCB, counterweight, hydraulic pump, Kawasaki hydraulic pump, so which is having two pump, high level gauge, hydraulic filter, pump compartment, undercarriage, track motor, upper roller, bottom roller, air filter assembly, control valve hoses, manifold, accumulator. Specification: model DX225, engine power 11 kV at 1950 rpm, machine weight 17 ton, operating weight 21 ton, bucket capacity 1.28 cubic meter. Front part, Doosan Infra Company Limited, Korea, made in Korea. Front idler, front part, cabin inside, back side, AC control unit, travel switches, key switch, headlight switch, front display, economy mode, power mode, then rear camera is fitted in this machine, lever, travel lever, boom lever, left lever, front side, pilot lock lever, front cabin, one, two, three, five bucket teeth is given in this machine. So H link, heavy link, H link,